Namaskaraha. In the last video, we saw who is doing. In this video, we will learn something more powerful. We'll shift our attention from you to someone else. You love someone. You read a book. So we focus our attention to something else. So let's begin. Now we say we see someone, we help someone, we love someone. So this someone changes. So for example, we say Rama Sitam Pasyati. So Rama sees Sita. So now if we ask question who sees, we can say Rama, and whom is being answered by Sita. So who sees? Rama sees. Whom? Rama sees? Sita. But you see, the Sita has been changed to Sitam. So Sita is changed to Sitam. So similarly, we can say, so we see something added, that is more sound. Okay, more sound. So something added, that is more sound. So this is called more. So we can say, suppose say balakaha phalam khadati. We can say one more sentence, say balakaha phalam khadati. So now the who is answered by balakaha and whom is being answered by phalam. So and we can see again a ma with a halant is added. So this is the receiver end. So what we are seeing, similarly we say guruhu pustakam pathati. We can say guruhu pustakam pathati. Guruhu pustakam pathati. So the attention changes to something else. So who reads, we have seen in the previous video, that is guruhu. Now we are concerned about whom, that is pustakam. So similarly we can say aham. Aham, with aham we can say aham mitram pasyami. Aham mitram pasyami. I see my friend. So in all this we can say whom do I see. Then one more we'll say aham lakhyam chintayami. Aham lakhyam chintayami. I think about my goal. So, who thinks aham? That is I. And what do I think about lakhyam? So, now when someone is doing something, we use the doer form. And when someone or something receives the action, the word often ends in ma with a halant. So this is the pattern. There's no grammar. We are not reading any grammar. So just repeat after me. Ramaha sitam pasyati, aham pustakam pathami, balakaha jalam pivati. So now Ramaha becomes Ramam. Ramaha, like we can say, uh, aham Ramam pasyami. Suppose we say aham Ramam pasyami. So here, if you observe, Ramaha becomes Ramam. So when the object is in the receiver end, then it becomes Ramam, or the ma with the halant is added. Similarly, lakhyam, aham lakhyam pasyami, I see my goal. Aham swapnam anusarami, I follow my dream. So we can say aham is a powerful affirmation sentence. We can say aham swapnam anusarami. I follow my dream. So now now we have the receiving form, and it is called Dvitiya. It is called in Sanskrit Dvitiya. Dvitiya form. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Concerning about who. So I hope you learned something today about the receiver of the action. Next time we'll learn for someone. For example, aham mitraya pustakam dadami. So that one we'll see in the next video. So today, for one question, I'm leaving you with one question which you can comment. Aham dash pasyami. Aham dash pasyami. You can comment, write the answer in the comment. So thank you all. Meet you in the next video. Namaskaraha.